Good morning, dear students. As you have already studied about the chapter The Universe, where you have learned about the galaxies, stars, comets, and the solar system. Today, we are going to learn about the third planet of the solar system, Earth. Yes, this is your next chapter, the planet Earth. Can you see this picture on the top? What do you think the blue part is? It is water. And what do you think the green areas are? These are the land areas. Students, do you know Ferdinand Magellan was the first person who proved that Earth is round. In the early 15s, he set out to sail around the world and he kept on sailing for 3 years. After 3 years, he found his ship and crew back at the starting point, and this proved that Earth was round. The shape of the Earth is an oblate spheroid. It means it is not a perfect circle. The top part of the Earth is North Pole and the flat part at the bottom is called the South Pole. Now, can you tell me why there is life on the Earth and not on the other planets? As the Earth is called unique since it is the only planet in the solar system that has conditions necessary to support life, and they are air, water and right temperature. And the first is air. All living things need air to breathe, and our Earth is surrounded by a layer of the air called the atmosphere, and it is like a thick blanket, and it consists of different gases like oxygen, carbon dioxide and nitrogen, and these all gases are very important for survival. This is the basic feature which required by the all the living beings. Next is water. We all need water, and Earth is the only planet that has water. It covers 70% of the Earth's surface. Like air, water is also essential for all the living beings to live, and it covers the 70% of Earth's surface and rest 30% is covered by the land. And next important element is temperature. Right temperature is really required to survive on the Earth, and our planet Earth is located at such a distance from the sun that its temperature is neither too hot nor too cold. It means it has right temperature which is required to survive on the Earth. Now, our Earth is known as the blue planet. Why it is known as blue planet? Because the Earth looks like a giant blue ball with some green patches on it, and it is called blue because of abundance of water on its surface, and the green patches are known as continents. Earth is divided into huge land masses known as continents. There are total 7 continents on the Earth, and Asia is the largest continent, followed by Africa, North America, South America, Antarctica, Europe and Australia. And every continent has many countries. Next is oceans. Oceans are the large water bodies on the surface of the earth. There are 5 oceans: They are Arctic Ocean, the Atlantic Ocean, the Pacific Ocean, the Indian Ocean, and the Southern Ocean. The Pacific Ocean is the largest ocean. And do you know the Indian Ocean is the only ocean that is named after a country, and that is India. Now see, in this picture you can clearly find out all the important continents and the oceans. Thank you. Have a good day.